The first step in determining the volume of this truncated cone is writing a proportion that will allow us to determine the height of the cone that has been removed. So I'm sorry that my pictures aren't awesome, but I did try to sort of put the whole thing back together. So truncated means something was cut off. And so we had before a tall cone, that's the blue, and then they cut off this green cone off the top. So we're going to call X, we're going to let that represent the height of the little cone that was pulled off. And then when we see that, we're going to be able to build our proportion. So one thing we know for sure is we can compare the 2 centimeters to the 8 centimeters. Easy. Then what we can compare is we can take that X, so that's from the triangle, from the cone that was cut off, and then we can compare that to the X plus 12, which is the height of the whole cone, which we don't even see, right? We don't see any of those things in the picture the way it was, and that proportion will let us determine the height of the cone that was pulled off, that was removed.